Watch this video before you want to buy the Bitcoin. Maybe you have a new signal that you may think twice before you buy it. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Basically, Bitcoin has been in a downward channel since March 2024, and then we go upward above this downward channel. So some people buy around here. Do we have a better method to buy at the lower price and the safe points? Okay, so today I will tell you how, and also what is the latest trend for Bitcoin. Can we buy more now? Now is around 88,000. Should we go to buy more? And will you go above 100K? Today I will tell you my insights from the chart. Okay, so now we start with this. How do we buy for better? So which I use my indicator called YM Club. You can put your you can subscribe it monthly in the description. You just click the description link and you can go to buy this indicator. Basically, the blue one is the trend line. Okay, we have different indicator to tell you the trend, to tell you the fund movement, which is very important. Many people, when they look at the chart, they just look at the price. They just look at the price. But things is different. It's not just price. They have three element minimum you need to look at. Okay. So the price, also the time, okay, the time, and also the volume. Okay. So my indicator to tell you the trend, the fund movement, and also the buy sell point. Okay, so which is very easy. The first easy thing I want to tell you is the trend first. Very easy. This indicator basically, the blue is the regular trend line to tell you this is an upward trend or this is a downward trend. Okay, so we have different terms, which is fast, long, super long. Super long is for the super long investor. You buy here, you sell here. You buy here. So far, we don't have a sell point. But I want to show you also we have a fast trend line. Fast trend line is the red line. I will show you later. Okay. So basically, it's very easy. With my indicator, you can avoid a lot of troubles because you're buying around here. Is it much high and much lower than the traditional method? Traditional method, you are buying around 67. My method, you are buying at this candle around 58. 58, okay? And you're buying very safe because you can see the trend is going upward. And we also have indicator for the institution holding called YM trippers. You can see since they go below, basically the red is the institution holding, they're going upward. They go much higher now, okay? And YM chip entry is the green candle here to tell you the institution buying massively here, here, and here. Okay, so basically, my trick very easy. When they go above either purple or blue, okay, and we have seen YM chip entry, the green candle, just recently they are also buying past the YM trippers. They have the red candle go above the purple candle, then I buy in because it's like confirmation for the fund, and also the confirmation for the trend. And we have a buy signal here, which is the one candle go above the purple line. Okay, the purple is super long-term investor. If you buy here, if you buy with purple, use purple as your stop gain price. Okay, so you will make a lot of profit in a very easy way. For example, this one you're making 48%, and this one you are still holding from 58,000. Okay, so this is one thing. The other thing I want to show you is, can you buy right now? First thing, you are a bit late this moment, okay? Because you're very far from the blue line and very far from the purple line. Okay, so look at the red line, which is a fast trend line. What happened is we just go under this red. What does it mean we go under? It means it is getting weak. The momentum is slowing down. The momentum is slowing down. This is a daily chart, by the way. So I want to show you, you can see the money come in for the big volume trade is reducing. They have more sell than buy recently. Here, net sales. They're still strong because they're still above zero. We will expect we will expect some kind of pullback first. Okay, the trend is still good, the upward trend, but trend good doesn't mean you can buy every single day. We need to find a safe buy point. Okay, you can use your strategy, but you need to have strategy. If you are still using the old method, like breaking the trend line, you buy, yes, this is fine, but you can make much more with my indicator and much safer. Because if you draw the trend line, if you look at the volume pattern, you need to pay more attention to the chart. Okay, my indicator can tell you right away where is the buy point. Okay, so this is because another thing I want to give you a bit alert is the monthly chart, because so many people talk about, oh, the Bitcoin will fly to the moon, blah, blah, blah. I will give you some alert. But first thing, when they drop so many candles, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 candle going downward. Okay, so we have, you can see clearly here, this is monthly chart. You can see the fund movement also going downward, also going downward. And the good thing is from last month, I give you one YouTube video here. I told you our monthly chart is changing because they have big volume trade in monthly chart. Money start to buy the Bitcoin. Okay, that's why the price go up. Remember, money go before the trend. Money need to enter before the trend. Okay, to change the trend. When it's downward trend, we change to upward trend by giving external force, which is money, right? This is a very simple. It's just like a physics, just like a boat. If you want to change, the boat always go to the one direction, right? If you want to change the boat direction, if you want to do opposite direction, what do? You give external force, like extra force to change the direction. So same for the stock market, which is money, okay, to change direction here. But still, I need to give a bit alert about the RSI. I know so many people go so bullish, but still, each time, each single market, the RSI is getting lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Of course, we are not yet at the peak, but I want to give a bit alert about how far can we go, okay? And don't expect the percentage like seriously crazy. I don't think so. Each time the cycle, the we change this one. With the cycle, the growth is less and less and less. You can see in this diagram. Okay, you can click this and click this one. Okay, so it's very easy to tell you the reasonable range. You can see the growth is getting less and less and less. And how far can we go next? Okay, so this is Bitcoin. Another thing, I know you guys also buy Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin, because the last time I mentioned, if you follow me, this channel, you're making more than double, because I make more than double. When I make video here, basically, right after I make the video, I buy the Dogecoin. So I want to show you Dogecoin, how much we have been up. Dogecoin. And something you need to be careful. So it's upward, upward, upward. We have buy signal here. We have buy signal here. And also explain you Dogecoin, you cannot keep forever. Okay. This one is very frustrating. We have very short period for the bull market. So this moment, did the trend very good. The fund, we have enough money here. But for short term, YM Big Buy, we have fund coming out basically 2 days ago on 14th of November, yesterday. And you can see today's candle go under the red line. So if you want to buy, you may wait for the next buy signal, okay? If you ask me, oh, should I sell it now? You may reduce a little bit. You may reduce a little bit unless you're buying here. If you buy with the blue line here and purple line here, you may use the blue and purple to stop gain. Or if you buy here, use the blue. If you buy here, you need to use the red line to be your stop gain price. Okay, you're making more than double, because I make more than double. You cannot make much less than that. Okay, so this is the update for the Doge and Bitcoin. Another thing I want to check is MTSR, this one, MSTR, the MicroStrategy. Same thing happened. It's very similar to Bitcoin, very strong to be honest. The trend upward, very good. The best buy point is here and here. Okay, so basically, do we have sales? If you're very short-term investor, you do have reduced the stock because it's under the red line. But if you buy around here, around 148, you don't need to because you need to use the purple line to stop gain. Okay, so far so good. This moment, no problem. Short term, they will have few candles to come down. Okay, we will expect some candle to come down. How about the fund movement? Do we have any divergence or any dangerous signal? So far, we don't have any dangerous signal, but we do have the short-term YM big buy, which is the big volume trade, have more sell than buy. Okay, more sell than buy, which is net sell. Okay, that's why the stock is coming down a little bit. Another thing, Bitcoin, Coinbase, sorry, Coinbase. We have so many good news about the Coinbase. It go up like this. So what's going on with Coinbase? Basically, they go above the previous peak here already. To be honest, with my indicator, I don't even look at the previous peak. I just look at my indicator, which is the blue line, red line, purple line, and this indicator. Okay, that's it. I don't want to check too many technical analysis because with my indicator, they can help me to solve the problem. Okay, so now they drop below. It's getting weak. The fund is getting weak. Do we have significant divergence or do we have some dangerous channel? No, but they will have some kind of like a pullback. We will expect some kind of pullback. Okay. It could go back to the blue line. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So far, it's still strong. It's still above zero. So if you use the red line, to do the stop gain. If you use the blue, use the blue line. If you use the purple, use the purple. This is the simple way to do. Of course, if you want to make more, you can use the red line to reduce 10%, 20%, and then to buy again when they go above. This is still okay. Okay. So when the blue line is going upward, this is upward trend, you can reduce or just hold. Okay. Depends where do you buy it. Okay. So when people ask me question, should I hold? Should I sell? At least I need to know what strategy do you use. You stick with your strategy. Your strategy should include a stop loss or stop gain price. When you need to tell yourself what kind of signal you see, you need to sell it. Okay. My biggest mistake in my investment would be like you don't stop the loss. You let it drop, and then you will have total loss. Don't do it. So I would rather you stop loss, you can buy back later. Okay. You reduce your risk. Okay. Imagine here, right? They drop. Oh, they drop already so much. Should I sell here? You just hesitate, right? Because you don't have, let's say you don't have indicator. You don't know, but Coinbase have a great future, la la la. Okay, and then what happened is you waste so much time from April to October. They're dropping. Okay, they are like sideways and then drop even more and then they come back here. So you waste a lot of time. Why don't you just use this indicator to stop loss or stop gain? If you use this indicator, you should stop gain. You're making profit from 146 to 248. Okay, and then you buy back here. That's it. Stick with your strategy. You can have any strategy, but remember, you need to have one strategy. Okay, so this is the update today. I hope you enjoy. And this indicator can also help you to see where the institution come to buy in. But again, when they buy in, doesn't mean we need to buy together. Because remember, institution have a lot of money. We don't. we don't, okay? This moment we don't. So we cannot buy like institution because they can buy over 2 years or even over 3 years. So we need to have a good timing. Don't waste time. We buy when they change the trend, which is when they go above the purple or blue, and at the same time, they have the green chips here, which means institution just finished the buying. So we buy right after they bought, right? And then we buy when they have big raise for the coins or for the stock. That's it. That's so easy. We save the time. Okay. So this is the update today. I hope you enjoy and everyone have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye bye.